Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lowercase g from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing an angled curve down to the left. Then from the bottom, let's angle it in, and then a point below it like this. Then underneath, let's draw another curve down and to the right. Now let's hop back up to the top, and from that line, let's curve it down and then curve it in at the bottom. Now let's hop up under that middle line and let's draw an angle down. Angle it back up to the left, an angle up and to the right, then angle it back up to the left again, and then a curve down and in. And now let's connect the lines at the bottom here. And that's it for the shape of the letter G. Now let's move up and draw the eyes. Let's start inside at the top here, and let's draw an angled line. Then curve it down on the right, and a longer line down on the left. And now let's close off the bottom. Now let's draw the other eye tucked in behind like this. We'll start in the top and let's draw a curve up and over. Angle it out. Bring it back down and in. And then close off the bottom. Next, let's erase that overlapping line inside. Now inside the right eye, let's draw a large square shape. And then a large rectangle inside the other eye. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for lowercase g. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!